All right, to lay the groundwork here, just a reminder that we've used a tool to extract all the files that we need for this particular installation profile of Drupal called Drupal Commons into the proper directory. We've actually created a database that it's going to back this using DreamHost's panel. We could have done that in the control line, just like we've done the other things. And in fact, there's instructions on Drupal on how to create a MySQL database just using command line commands. We're now going to lay the groundwork a little bit more by doing a couple of little things we need to do in order to complete the Drupal Commons installation. And it's actually the exact same steps we would use for installing Drupal just as a plain old vanilla Drupal or a number of other installation profiles. So first we're going to, we're in a secure shell here, and we're going to go to the sites directory. And you'll see here's everything in the sites directory. And then we are going to change into default. And we'll see there's one file here called default.settings.php. We actually need to change that. We need to copy it using the cp command to copy. And we're going to copy default.settings.php to settings.php. Traditionally, we would go in and edit settings.php, but we're going to use the installation script to do that instead. We also need to change the permissions for this file, and I'm using O plus W. We could use the numeric, but in this case I'm just using O plus W, and we're going to change it for settings.php. I'm going to move up one level so that we're now, you'll see in the sites directory, and here I'm going to go ahead and also I'm going to take a shortcut here and go like this, and that'll give me my last few. And I'm going to also change the permissions for the default directory itself. So it needs to, in order to complete the installation, it needs to actually be able to read the default directory, and so we're going to change that here. All right, now I'm done with everything I need to do in here, I believe, and I can actually go to the site itself, and it should start the installation directory. So we're telling it that we wanted to, in this case, install Drupal Commons, and then we're going to fill out the required information, which, if I go back to my my item here, you can see that I've got the bits and pieces, the database name, the host, the user, and the password. I need to put in the host down here. It's not localhost, it's actually mysql.aoir.org. And if I do that and fill out the rest of it, I'll have myself a fresh installation of Drupal Commons.